Greetings and welcome to the Astronomy Picture of the Day podcast. Today's picture for June 4th of 2025 is titled A Milky Road to the Rubin Observatory. So what do we see here? Well, up in the sky, we see, stretching from the upper left down toward the lower center and the observatory dome there, is our Milky Way galaxy, our own galaxy as we see it from within. And we can see those dark dust clouds and bright star clouds, which note our Milky Way. And when in a deeper exposure like this, you can see that kind of detail. Now, if you look at the Milky Way yourself, even from a dark sight, it just looks like a milky patch going across the sky. Now, that is our galaxy. Down to the lower right, we see another galaxy labeled SMC there, and that is the small Magellanic Cloud, one of the satellite galaxies of our Milky Way, which orbits around the Milky Way, much in the way as our Sun orbits around the Milky Way and planets orbit around our Sun. Now, the observatory down there is the Rubin Observatory down in Chile, and that is now just getting ready to begin its ordinary operations, and hopefully that will be soon. And what it's charged with doing is really exploring the night sky, but looking at the whole sky. And the sky changes constantly. We have lots of different things that change, including supernovae that will appear. So if we're constantly monitoring the sky and trying to look at all of the billions of galaxies individually would be very hard, but this can monitor the sky and look for those slight changes, perhaps catching a supernova just as it's beginning, to be able to help us to learn more about it early on. We can also look for things like asteroids. Asteroids move faster across the sky than other objects as they are within our solar system. So looking at them and seeing from day to day that an object is moving could trigger it, and then go look and see, hey, there's an object here. Let's go take a look at this and identify perhaps a new asteroid, and of course could find ones that are potential dangers to Earth. Comets, which can be difficult to find, are often found by survey telescopes that look at the sky overall and manage to pick them out before an observer would be able to find them. And, of course, things like stars. There are stars which vary in brightness for various reasons, and the Rubin Observatory will be able to study those, in addition to doing other things like mapping out the entire large-scale structure of our universe. So we can expect that far more will come from the Rubin telescope as it begins its operation soon and helps us to better understand the changes that are occurring in the night sky. So that was our picture of the day for June 4th of 2025. It was titled A Milky Road to the Rubin Observatory. We'll be back again tomorrow for the next picture. So until then, have a great day, everyone, and I will see you in class.